Hi, Michelle here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape structured data from TikTok videos. You'll be able to get the video caption, URL, number of plays, hearts or comments, and a bunch of other video and music-related metadata. You'll also get basic creator information such as their name, ID, avatar video, and follower or like counts. To do this, we're going to be using the ready-made TikTok video scraper from Apify store. First, go to the link in the description, which will take you to TikTok Video Scrapers README. Hit try for free, which will prompt you to create an Apify account. Don't worry, it's free and no credit card is required. You'll now be taken to the actor's input page. You can choose to either set up the input via our intuitive UI or via JSON. We're going to go with the manual view. The only thing we need for scraping TikTok videos is the post URLs. So let's copy the URL of this post and paste it here. You can add more via the add button or edit them in bulk. You will also have the option to download script videos. Under this tab, you can toggle if you want to include videos, thumbnails, subtitles, or download slideshows images, and that's it. Before running your actor, we suggest saving your configuration and creating a task. This will come in handy if you want to schedule or integrate your actor with other tools in the future, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. Now that we have the input filled out, let's run the actor using the Start button. You can watch your results appear in the Output tab and switch between different view options for the incoming data, based on posts, authors, music, or videos. You can also visit the Log tab to see more technical details about the run. Now that a run is finished, we can get our data via the Export button. You can choose your desired format and nitpick which fields you want to include or exclude in your dataset. Then just hit download and you have your dataset file. For instance, here's our data in JSON open up in a new tab. If you decided to also download your videos, head over to the Run Storage and Key Value Store tab. This is where you can view or download the extracted files. And if you want to automate your workflow further, you can schedule your TikTok video source finder to run at regular intervals. Choose your task and specify the frequency of how often you want to run the actor. You can even connect your TikTok video detail scraper to other cloud services such as Google Drive, Zapier, or any other Apify actor. By the way, you can also run this scraper locally via API. You can find the code in Node, JavaScript, Python, or Curl in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. To learn more about retrieving data programmatically, check out a video on the subject. Are you interested in scraping other types of TikTok data, such as comments, profiles, or hashtags? You'll find a link to different TikTok scrapers from Apify store in the video's description. You can also watch your tutorials on various TikTok actors by clicking on the card above. And that's all for now. Let us know what you think about the TikTok video detail scraper. Remember, if you come across any issues, make sure to report them to our developers in Apify console. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay notified about future content. So long, and thanks for all the likes.